Hello everybody, this is Barbie. Just wanted to come to you today real quickly to show you what I've been busy doing since I haven't been making videos lately. I've been working on my new kits. I got a couple of new kits done. Also, I wanted to make a quick little announcement I'm excited about. I don't know if y'all are aware, but Tracy Fox with Love Junk Journal has a new magazine out, Crafters Magazine. It's called the Foxy Rag. How cute is that? Anyhow, it matches her little personality, I think. So her and her mate, Justin, is, I believe it's her mate. Maybe I'm speaking out of turn. Anyhow, her friend, we'll call him, since I'm not for sure, are working together on this magazine. Anyhow, so they were, I saw where they were asking for people who maybe wanted to be featured to send in a request. So I did, and fortunately for me, they picked my shop, my Etsy shop. So I have a featured page in the magazine, so I will be putting a link down below for anyone that might want to go over and check it out. I got her magazines, and there's also some other contests that she has in her magazine, which I did enter that as well, having to do with doing tags, etc. Anyhow, each one of them I think are going to be different. So there's some fun there to be had as well. And as well as meeting some other people in our community that maybe you've never seen, and they have their pages are being featured, and they'll tell a little bit about them and what they do, and showing some pictures of what they do. So I think it's just a really good way for all of us to become more of a connected community, and I think it was really nice that her and Justin decided to do this. It's a real compliment, I think, to our crafting community. Anyhow, enough of that. Like I said, please go over and check it out and support her. It's a downloaded, it's a digital magazine where you download it, and you can print it out, or you can just view it digitally, just like, you know, if you're printing out digital, same thing. So let me show you what I've been up to. Also, I'm doing a special 15% discount, and it will start tomorrow, and it will go through the 24th, I believe, of December in my Etsy shop, and it'll be a 15% off discount for anyone who might want to participate or might want to purchase something in my shop, and that would include everything in my shop. My paintings, my digitals, as well as my journals. And I think I've got 3 maybe journals in there, I'm not sure. So this is a digital kit I made for that, kind of for that, to celebrate that, the magazine, etc. I wanted to do something a little special for it. Okay, I'm calling this Meadow Dreams. So it is a digital having to do with, of course, my favorite subject, animals, birds, fruit, flowers, that sort of thing. And I printed on the back of these some of the other papers that I have in the kit that are like for background. This is a tea stained or coffee stained paper that I had done, and it's got a nice little wrinkle in it, which I liked. And so I just printed that on the back. And of course, rabbits, one of my favorite subjects. And I printed these out on Red River paper, and it's a 60-pound linen paper, and it makes a really good quality. It almost feels like fabric, and it feels more like the old paper used to feel. It's soft but very strong paper. I really love it for the journal pages. And then on the back, another background paper I did. I incorporated one of my little museum downloads of the little boy with the teddy bear, which I used in, I think, one of the other kits that I had done. There's what I call the Tree of Life background. This is a jelly print I did. And then I used my basic jelly print, which I used in my Photoshop program and incorporated it in some other old receipts, etc. I thought it made a really nice background. That's just a real plain, soft background. Again, journal page, butterflies. And this is some old beadboard that I rearranged and made into a herringbone pattern. Use some old music paper, etc. in the background. Use some lined paper here so you could journal on it as the background. Of course, there's my little bunny. And then this is from an old book I had, and it's just old paper. It's a little fig leaf or fig branch. Some old alphabet paper. Again, just a real plain paper, good for background paper. And then this is the other page that I didn't put the bunny in, I just kept it plain. Okay, this is my ephemera kit or tag kit that goes in a separate kit, but it's for this particular kit. And what I tried to do is just go ahead and make some pre-made tags and envelopes, etc. using some of the paper in here and some not, but was, you know, similar. Mainly just to, if you don't want to use these, you know, you don't have to, but if you want something quick and easy, well, these are already ready to go. And the other thing is it kind of gives you an idea of what you can do if you want to do your own collaging. These I made, you can make a trifold with that, and then these are just some, or you can cut them in individual tags, whatever you want to do. And then these are same thing, only just separate tags. Oh, and all of the tags are printed, I printed them on a 90-pound Red River cardstock paper that is called Polar Matte, and it's you can print on both sides. So if you wanted to flip this over and print something on the other side, you could, if you use this particular paper. These are some little mini file folders I designed, and a long tag, which of course could be cut off if you wanted to. Or another thing I've done with the long tags, if I were going to use them into a smaller journal, I would take them and print something on the back side, and then I would take it and fold it up and make a little mini pocket and make it into a smaller tag. You could do that as well. These are some of my other tags that I made and stitched around and then scanned them in, just to have some tags that had maybe some stitching that people who don't have sewing machines but like the look could utilize. Same thing I did here. I made the journal cards and the tags and then stitched around some and then left some plain. And again, this is using my paper, jelly print paper that I designed. This is the two other tags that you saw that I did in a smaller size, so I printed, you know, 2 per page, so that you could utilize it in a smaller journal. This is a coin envelope I designed, and I printed this on the linen paper so that it's more pliable, if you like that. That's what I would do if you wanted something that was more pliable. And I just put this on the background so that when you fold it, all the flaps it'll be pretty on the inside. That's what I'm saying. And then again, this is done on the cardstock, which would make it stiffer. but the same. It's a little bit larger envelope than the other one I printed. Again, a scanned in pockets that I did. So, and that's it. So, if you're interested, I have these in my Etsy shop. You go over and check it out. And if you want to, use the 15% off discount, you would just use Barbie, BARBIE 15, and that'll get you a 15% off discount. And if there's any problems with that, just write me a comment below this video. It's probably the quickest thing, or you can also write me a message in my Etsy shop and let me know if you're having a problem using it or whatever. I've not used it. I just had it ready to use, so it could be printed in the Foxy Rag magazine as a thank you for all of the ladies that would maybe want to take the magazine or buy something out of the shop. So it's almost like my little thank you for all my subbies, and also a thank you to to the Foxy Rag for featuring me, as well as kind of a little mini Christmas present for anybody that might want to purchase something. So if I should be back between now and Christmas, but if not, and you don't catch my next video, if there is one between now and Christmas, I'm going to go ahead and wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And I hope you and your family will have a beautiful Christmas together. So until next time, this is Barbie saying bye, 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 bye. Have a beautiful day.